A full-weight shuttle starts as an ordinary steel plate. Drive wheels reduces. Motions going one by one. Every bolt is torqued to standard. Assembly done. Cutting wood properly. First, no load running. Listen to the sound. Watch for vibration. No unusual noise gets a pass. Second, lead testing. Repeated start-stop and steering under full load. Third, the aging process is continuously in operation. Without undergoing a long-term aging test, it will not proceed to the next stage. All tests passed. Send to packaging. Clean the body. Attach nameplate. Stretch wrap. Only after completing all the above processes can a truly full directional vehicle leave the factory gates.